Divide 752 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 5 and it is 35. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down these 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So 752 divided by 4 is 188. So this much for today and thanks for watching.